Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about two popular fintech companies, Wise and Revolut. I've been using both of these platforms for a while now, and I've found them to be really helpful for managing my finances. But which one is better? That's what I'm going to be exploring in this video. Before we get started, I want to say that this video is not sponsored by either Wise or Revolut. I'm just sharing my own personal experiences and opinions. What are Wise and Revolut? Wise and Revolut are both fintech companies that offer a range of financial services, including currency exchange, international money transfers, debit cards, travel insurance, banking. Wise is a UK-based fintech company that was founded in 2011. It is one of the largest and most popular money transfer services in the world. Wise offers a wide range of currency exchange and international money transfer services. It is also known for its low fees and fast transfer times. Revolut is a UK-based fintech company that was founded in 2015. It is a relatively new company, but it has grown quickly in popularity in recent years. Revolut offers a range of financial services, including currency exchange, international money transfers, debit cards, travel insurance, and banking. It is also known for its attractive features, such as cashback rewards and free international ATM withdrawals. Wise versus Revolut, which is better? There is no easy answer to this question. It depends on your individual needs and preferences. However, I will highlight some of the key differences between the two platforms. Fees. Wise generally has lower fees than Revolut. This is especially true for international money transfers. Speed of transfers. Wise is also generally faster than Revolut for international money transfers. Features. Revolut offers a wider range of features than Wise. This includes things like cashback rewards, free international ATM withdrawals, and travel insurance. Customer service. Wise and Revolut both offer good customer service. However, some users have reported that Revolut's customer service is more responsive. Overall, Wise and Revolut are both great options for managing your finances. If you are looking for a low-cost and fast way to transfer money internationally, then Wise is a good choice. If you are looking for a platform with a wider range of features, then Revolut is a good option. Ultimately, the best way to decide which platform is right for you is to weigh the pros and cons of each one and see which one meets your needs and preferences. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Wise and Revolut. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. Until next time.